Okay, nó cú wife yo giỏi cho yo nè. Okay, so nhiều muốn cho có liên liên nó cho purple yam nó nè. Okay, nhiều muốn thì oli nó chỉ cho là muốn chú sâu cho súng lẩu nè. Okay, thầu muốn của nó tán thì là muốn thì lại nó chị mua chú sao cho món chị chỉ mà đi mua dọn cho món này. Okay, so thầu dọn cho món chị muốn dọn chị có dọn tên nè chị. So this is it right here, and mua chấm làm bò đi nó mua li chi luôn nó ôn cho ý chú nó thế nào. Okay, so ít bia nồi dọn tàu nó chị cũng mà đi thay gì. Yeah, so mua cho có purple yam nó nè, skin ta chỉ mua dice lên nó nè. Okay, so we dice it like this. Nè, mua dice nó ta chỉ mua cho là mua chú sợi cho mắm lẩu nó nè, súng lẩu nó nè. Okay. Okay, so we drain the all the water from the rice cái thì nó cho purple yam nó nè, cho purple yam nó cho là mix cho súng lẩu nó đây đó nè. Okay, and this is gonna give it a little bit of dye, but the best part is when you put it in the grinder nè, muốn cho luôn grinder nó chỉ nhưng grind nhưng mà lấy mix là chỉ cho rice nó thế cho nó come out purple nó chỉ có tôi chỉ cho purple dừa nữa. Okay, so this is not but you use food coloring, you know. Okay, purple yam. Okay, and the best thing about this, what I like about it, rather than just regular plain mom blau nó wasn't mỗi chỉ nhận rồi chỉ thổi nước câu tôi là chỉ cho dừa nó như mua hay nè, you know, thầu có muốn ký li chào tờ lo cho dừa mua hay nè. Okay, như chỉ một khó tới lên nè. Okay. Okay, so after you muốn mix ta chỉ chắc có muốn như cho lú steamer nó nè. Okay. So as you guys can see, the rice is already a little bit pink, you know. So thầu chú tao lo trên mình như vậy như họ mua xì ra thì chỉ mà có better có những bỏ trong chốc là mà thầu ấy có muốn gì rõ cái nào. Okay, we are not professionals, but you know this is something that we want not to share thầu lúc chạy có liên đun này mong tụt tuần vô tên á chị. You know, chúng muốn thấy cùng để tua chỉ biết chỉ là chú đi nó thế nào. Okay, so những gì thật chạy xía thế thế muốn rõ nó cũng mà đi ở chơi là thay đổi nào. Okay. Okay, so có muốn after muốn drain ta chỉ put on the steamer and put on the stove and let the rice and the purple yam cook until it's ready. Okay. So after about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, it looked like this. See that? It looks like that. Okay. So once you put it in the grinder, it will come out purple. Okay. All right. All right, so we're gonna use my wife's KitchenAid grinder here with the accessory grinding, and then you need some boiled egg, but just the yolk itself. Okay, and then some foil paper. Okay, so so what you do is you put the rice up here. Okay, and then turn on the grinder and push it down like that. Okay, push it down. Okay, and then keep pushing. Okay, and then it's gonna come out. See, like that. It's not really dark purple, but your rice cake is gonna be purple like that. Okay, so just put more rice in there, and then just keep pushing it down. Okay, and it'll come out like that. Nice, huh? Yeah. So put some more stuff, more rice up here. Okay. And that's how it is. It comes out like that. Okay. The purpose of the egg yolk is to so that when you make it into patty, it won't stick your hand. Okay. Okay, so when you get like the amount that you want to make into a patty, then you just see, put them together and just form a patty. Okay. So the purpose of the yolk is to prevent the patty from sticking to your hands when you are forming it. Okay, so there you go. See it? And then voila. Purple joa or a purple rice cake. Okay. Yeah. Or you can eat it right now. It's really soft. Okay. All right. So there goes one. Okay. So just put more rice, okay? Put more rice in there. It will eventually mix it, so you just put it in there and then you'll mix it, and then there you go. It comes out like that, purple. Man, I love that color. Very tasty, soft, not chewy at all. It's pretty soft. So if you don't have any brown sugar, you can just like shwatana, you can use some pancake syrup. Okay, it tastes as good. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So one person can do this. Okay, once you get the right amount or the amount that you think you want, then you just turn the grinder off and then form your rice cake or your patty. Okay. Ôi luôn dùa lên đó nè, okay, thọ từ nên đau lên đây, có muốn được cho là bua quay luôn dùa nè, okay. So just use a little bit of the egg yolk and form a ball and then squish it to form a patty or a rice cake. Okay, see that? Nice and easy. Okay, they're really soft. Okay, not hard. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so I will come back to you guys when we finished. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. This is the last patty we're gonna end up with. This is the last one. Not even that. Yep. So this is the last one, okay? And okay. Get all that out. Muốn phải tới cả là muốn phải tới cả là cho là tôi thay sang. Push all that out. Is that it? Or is there still something there? That's it? Okay, so this is it. This is the last one.
No, this can be a big one.
So
I should do 2.
yeah, make that into 2. Okay, move on. Done. That one. You okay, so for one little steamer or ichu monana, about that size, we were able to make about let's count this. How many we have? Just take one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, okay? 26 because my daughter and them ate one, but yeah, you thought about 25, 26, depends on how big you want the rice cake to be, okay? So you want diameter about maybe 4 inches, okay, 4 by 4. This is about 25 or 26 luna, okay, for each monana, okay. So tomorrow morning we're gonna put these in the fridge, okay. These are really soft right now, so we're gonna wait till like tomorrow, and then we will fry it, okay, and then we'll eat it together, okay. So until tomorrow, we'll see you guys then. Okay, you guys, so after you put the rice cake in the fridge to make it more firm or more in a more solid state, you put some olive oil and sprinkle just a little bit of salt on it. I like mine with a little bit of salt, but most people just eat it plain. So you can put it in like a convection oven, or you can put it in a microwave, okay? Microwave is usually just pretty much makes it soft, but if you want crust, like pretty crusty on both sides, you need to fry it like this, okay, with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, most people use a lot of oil, but I use a little bit only. And then, yeah, just unwrap the foil paper, and it's in a more solid state now, so you can just put that right on there. I like mine fried like that, so it's olive oil, so you know it's not gonna do any damage to you. So yep. And just let it sit there, you know, put it on medium heat, okay? And once your you know, rice cake is has, you know, like a lot of crisps on either side, and then you can take it out and eat it with like pancake syrup or brown sugar syrup. Okay, so when this is good, I'm take it out. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. You know, after like a couple minutes on each side, you get that really crusty, you know, on each side. You know, so when you get to the right amount of crust that you like, then you know, you can pretty much take it out. But I like mine to be on there for a little bit longer. Okay. There you go. That's the kind of that's how much crust I want on each side of my my rice cake. Okay, so you're gonna take that out and pour it into the plate. Okay, yeah, there you go. All right. Okay, so you drizzle some pancake syrup on there or on the side around. Yeah, right there, all the way around, and then you eat it any way you like, with the fork or with your hands. Okay, so when it's kind of like pretty messy like this, I like to use a fork and eat it like that way. Okay, you can eat it with the fork. Okay, so I like it with a lot of you know, pancake syrup, so you can cut it up like that, dip it, and eat it. God, I like that crunch, that crispy crunch right there. Okay, thank you for coming by, and please subscribe, okay?